Hey, my name's Dominic. As we travel through, I'll point out a few things. First thing you notice on the right-hand side, that there is the cinema, where you can stop in, enjoy 6 great Walt Disney cartoons today. We're featuring Steamboat Willie. Up ahead to our left-hand side, it's the Fortuosity Shop. They have fine watches and jewelry. And to our right-hand side, the Market House, where you can enjoy a cup of Starbucks coffee. Down this alleyway to our right-hand side, past the fruit cart, you will find the locker station. There are lockers big and small for your enjoyment. They are quite handy, especially when you don't have a bag to put any of your stuff in. Up ahead to the left is the Penny Arcade, where a penny, a nickel, or a dime, you can have a whale of a good time. On the right-hand side, it's the Silhouette Studio and Crystal Art Store. That Silhouette Studio has been right there since Disneyland opened back in 1955.
Now heading back into civilization along the Rio Grande. Off in the distance are the towering views of Big Thunder Mountain. Rumor has it that a railroad built to haul gold out of the mountain has been seen.
Oh, that one pulls up its guns.
What do you think of Tom Sawyer's Island?
I think it's super cool.
I like all the...
It's a lot smaller than ours. Like the passageways are a lot more narrow and short.
Yeah. I like all the pirate stuff.
Here now the sound.
I really like all
The sound of the sea. The echo of the storm took his ship and cast back in upon these rocks. So
This is gorgeous. I love how quiet it is. I love all the nature sounds. It's awesome. If you guys can't tell, we really like this area. We're still hanging out here.
It's gorgeous.
It's gorgeous. And ta-da!
As we head into the remote areas of the rivers of America, you're in for a real treat. I've been navigating these parts for years now, but I've never been tired of taking in the breathtaking beauty of the Columbia River. The majestic trees, the stunning rock formations, the cascading waterfalls, the moose, deer, and elk along the banks. It's all so magnificent and so peaceful.
That might end up being the thumbnail. Thought it was supposed to be cold.
Oh my gosh, I'm dying.
We're sweating. Oh my gosh. That's covering the sun. There we go. Now my head's covering the sun. Haha.
We're right in my eyes.
Yeah, but it is so hot right now.
Ready to sit down in the AC and
Yeah.
have something to drink.
Heading to lunch right now. How's your ice cream?
Well done.
Oh, how was Blue Bayou? I think, in my opinion, it was the best meal of the trip.
I completely agree.
It was awesome. The food was amazing.
We got lamb.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, so good. Service was good. The food was great. The ambiance was awesome. Loved it. Highly recommend
What'd you get?
Peppermint churro. It's a beauty.
How is it? Is that good? Okay.
Very fresh and safe.
Music break! So, this is Radiator Springs!
Never seen this before.
Me neither, I don't know how it works.
That's where we should be. What the heck? What do we get?
Jack Jack Cookie Num Num.
Found a hidden Mickey. We ended up sitting together on Single Rider somehow.
I don't know how that happened.
Yeah, they put us together. That ride is awesome. Love it. Yeah. I love how ominous this area looks. Like it's just misty, but it looks like it's supposed to be like a haunted ride.
But it's like a lot of mist.
Yeah. About to come through. That's creepy, right?
I think there's only one person out there.
And they're disappearing into the fog.
He's telling the tale. woodpecker taught a young tribesman to take a hollowed out ash and turn it into that most wondrous of musical instruments, the flute. It's a legend the Lakota have passed down from generation to generation.
Okay, I love this area because they play Nightmare Before Christmas and Haunted Mansion music. We are trying our first mint julep and Mickey beignets.
Is this a lime or a lemon? Ooh.
Like it?
Yeah. You try.
That's fantastic.
Okay, this lime looks like a lemon. Like I thought it was supposed to be a lime, but it looks like a lemon.
This is really good. I really like this a lot. So mint julep is a big hit. This is fantastic.
My second favorite drink of the trip.
Behind the
Open ocean with a splash.
yeah. All right, it's our last couple hours. What are we about to do?
Tiki room.
And
Indiana Jones?
and
I don't know.
Sleeping Beauty Castle.
Oh yeah.
For safekeeping all earthly treasures when the journey becomes bumpy. And to keep you safe and sound, here are special belts attached into the seats. Simply pull it from the right, inserting it into the left, like so. You see the excellence of this invention? Your off-road journey is high speed and turbulent, going over rough and rugged terrain.
Just rode Indiana Jones and saw the Tiki Room, which was awesome.
So those gonna be our last things of the night?
Why don't we, well, I want to go see Sleeping Beauty.
Right.
Let's go do that. See Guardians of the Galaxy from Main Street. So weird. Goodbye, Disneyland. It's been fun.
Take a peek. Ain't it cool?